All right, we're going to look at doing this first angle orthographic projection. Okay, that means that I'm going to have a front view in this block over here. I'm going to have a top view in this block over here, and I'm going to have a left view in that block over there. All right, let's start out, and I'm going to count up 2 blocks over here, and I'm going to just draw a construction line going across, like that. And I'm going to then measure 2 blocks across and just put a little V on that little block over there. And from that V, I'm going to measure this length over here. You can see the length over there. You're going to place that, and it says that it is 60 millimeters in length. So I come along here with my ruler, and I measure off 60 millimeters, just with a little arrow like that. You'll find it much more accurate than making a big blob. Right, once I've done that, I'm going to draw 2 construction lines going straight up, right from the bottom over here, and you'll see why I've got that going all the way from the bottom, and another construction line going up over here. Right, those are construction lines, very, very, very light lines, okay? I'm going to draw a construction line with a pencil so you can see how to draw those construction lines. You'll see that I'm holding the pencil at the back of the pencil, and I literally just drag that pencil down, leaving a very, very, very faint line on the drawing. Okay, I'm drawing it in color so that you can see the construction lines a little bit more clearly, but they are very, very light lines. Right, the next thing is to get the height of it. You can see the height over there. It says 40 millimeters. I measure over here with my ruler, and I make a little V where it says 40. Once I've got that, I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to draw a construction line going all the way across from the left view, all the way across there, and I'll do the same thing over here. So I've got the length of it and the height of it over there. Right, after that, I take my pencil and I darken that in. Nice dark lines going across like that, and nice dark lines coming down like that. What you could do for me is just to put in length and height over there. All right, the next view is my top view. Now my top view has got exactly the same length as my front view. And that's where these construction lines coming down here are going to help. I can now come in over here, and I'm going to draw a construction line coming across over here. And I'm going to measure down, it says 30 millimeters in the width. See the width over there? I come over here and I measure 30 millimeters down in the width. Draw a little V over there, and I can now come onto this side, draw the same little V, 30 millimeters down, put a little V over there, link those V's up, and you can draw a line going, construction line going all the way across the page. Once I've done that, I then come in here with my ruler, and I draw in a nice dark line coming down there, draw in a nice dark line coming down there, and a nice dark line going across, and again over here, across. Right, the next thing is to get this left view. Now, I don't like counting blocks or measuring, so I'm going to try to use another method. What I'm going to do over here is I'm going to count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks coming down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks going across. And with that, I'm going to draw a line coming down over here, and a line going across over here.
Major production. Please note that the second session...
All right, once we've got that, I've drawn a line coming across over here, a line coming down over here, so 10 blocks down, 10 blocks across, getting me that point over there. If I take this set square of mine, it is a 45-degree set square, and I draw a line coming down over here. All right, once you've got that in place, it's very easy to take the measurements from this over here across, and where it cuts over that 45, I'm going to take a line going straight up. And where this line comes across and cuts over the 45, I'm going to take that straight up. Now, what 2 measurements do I need in my left view over here? I need the width and I need the height, okay? And you can see over here, the width is being projected across and up into that view, and I've got the height coming across over there, which means that I can draw in straight away the left view by drawing a line coming down over there, and a line coming down over there, and a line coming across over there, and a line coming across over there. Now what I'd like you to do with this view, you write in length over there and width over there. In this view, I want you to write in height over there and width over there. So you've got length, breadth, and height, or length, width, height.